Most people think compounding feels powerful from the very beginning. It doesn't. For years, it feels broken. Imagine planting a tree that barely grows. Every morning, you check it. Nothing. Then one day, it seems to explode upward. The strange part is that the tree didn't suddenly change. Your perspective did. That's exactly how compounding builds wealth. Let's say you invest $500 every month and earn an average annual return of 10%. After 5 years, your portfolio has grown, but most of it is still money you personally contributed. It feels like you're doing all the work. Then, something quietly shifts. Around year 15 or 20, your investments begin earning more money than your monthly deposits. Your money starts hiring more money. That's the exact moment compounding transforms from a savings habit into a wealth machine. Here's the uncomfortable math. The first $100,000 usually takes the longest to build. The second often arrives much faster. Not because you became smarter, not because the market suddenly became generous, but because every dollar now has thousands of tiny employees working around the clock. This is why so many people quit too early. They mistake the slow beginning for failure. They judge a 20-year process after 20 months. Ironically, the years that feel the least rewarding are often the most valuable. Every contribution during that invisible phase is laying the foundation for an acceleration you can't yet see.